Making money from your knowledge has never been easier with so many platforms to choose from. And in today's video, I'm comparing two of the most popular ways to do that, LearnWorlds and Skillshare. In this video, I'll cover the main differences between these platforms for you as a creator, how each affects your earning potential, which gives you more control over your brand, and the hidden costs that nobody talks about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your course business and will empower you to actually make money from your expertise. So first things first, let's get clear on what these platforms are in the first place. Skillshare is an e-learning membership site where members pay a monthly subscription to access thousands of different courses that they can choose from. As a teacher on Skillshare, you earn from a royalty pool based on the amount of watch time that you get. LearnWorlds is a platform where you build your own branded school page. Students pay you directly and you keep all the revenue, minus of course any of the fees that come with a subscription. Now let's talk money and how to earn with these platforms in the first place. With Skillshare, you earn from a royalty pool based on watch minutes. The average Skillshare teacher makes around $200 per month, while top creators can earn between $1,000 and $3,000 monthly. On LearnWorlds, you set your own prices, whether that's $50, $500, or even $2,000. It's completely up to you. You keep all the revenue minus any of the platform fees, which start at about $5 plus 5% per sale on the basic plan. But the best part about this is that there's no ceiling on earnings, with some creators making six figures from just a single course hosted on LearnWorlds. You can also offer different pricing models like one-time payments, subscriptions, or even course bundles. The math here is very simple. Selling your expertise directly is much more profitable than sharing royalties, especially if you can find your audience. When it comes to actually delivering your course to your students, both platforms offer different experiences for you and your students. Skillshare keeps things pretty simple here. You upload video content, add a project for students to complete, and that's basically it. The platform supports basic video hosting, discussion areas, and project galleries where students share their work. It's straightforward, which means less setup time for you, but also fewer ways to create a premium learning experience. LearnWorlds goes much deeper with course delivery features. You can create interactive videos with pop-up questions, build proper quizzes and assessments, issue certificates, and even sell ebooks alongside your video content. The platform supports SCORM compliance if you're creating corporate trainings, and you can even drip content over time by releasing specific modules over an extended release schedule. That way your students stay engaged. For teaching methodology, Skillshare focuses almost exclusively on project-based learning. While this works great for creative skills, it's limiting if your teaching style needs different approaches. LearnWorlds gives you more flexibility in how you structure your learning experience. The mobile experience is also another difference. Skillshare has a solid app included with their platform. LearnWorlds offers a branded mobile app, but it does cost extra, starting at around $30 per month. This can make a big difference, especially if your audience prefers learning on their phones. Ultimately, if you want to create a basic course quickly, Skillshare works just fine. But the big difference here is that you do need to even get accepted as a Skillshare teacher in the first place. But if you're looking to deliver a more premium learning experience that justifies higher pricing, LearnWorlds gives you all the tools that you need to make that happen. Now here's where the differences really matter for your income potential. Skillshare comes with a built-in audience of millions of subscribers actively looking for courses. When you publish a course, it gets recommended to relevant students, shows up in search results, and might even get featured in their marketing emails. This means that you can get students from day one without spending on ads or building an audience yourself. Brand new course creators or people who aren't really established in the market yet, this discovery factor could be a huge benefit. LearnWorlds, on the other hand, doesn't bring any audience to you. You're starting from zero and you need to drive every single student to your course yourself. Now, the platform does give you good marketing tools like coupons, affiliate programs, and even email marketing integrations, but you need to put in the work to use them effectively. Now, the big trade-off here is pretty obvious. Skillshare's audience access comes at a cost of lower earnings per student. With LearnWorlds, you work harder to get each student, but earn substantially more from each one that you actually get inside of your program. I've seen this play out with many creators. Those without existing audiences often start on Skillshare to build credibility and get student feedback. Then once they have some traction, they create premium versions of their courses and then post them on LearnWorlds to earn more. Skillshare's algorithm tends to favor either brand new courses or those from established teachers with large followings. If you're somewhere in the middle, your courses might not get much visibility. With LearnWorlds, your marketing efforts directly translate to visibility. You get out what you put in. Remember too that Skillshare's audience is primarily looking for hobby or creative skills. If your expertise is in professional development, business strategies, or technical skills, LearnWorlds unfortunately might be a better fit for reaching the right people. Also on Skillshare, you're just another teacher on their platform. Your course lives solely on Skillshare.com, follows their layout, designs, and everything else that comes with the branding behind Skillshare. You can't customize the learning environment, add your own domain, or even collect student email addresses. Students are Skillshare's customers, not your own. When someone loves your course, they become more loyal to Skillshare Skillshare than you as a creator. LearnWorlds lets you step outside of this restriction and lets you actually build your own brand and cultivate an audience. Now that we talked about both these platforms though, let's show you how to get started on them. If you want to get started with Skillshare, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description. You can apply to be a teacher and also start selling your expertise on Skillshare and earn money while doing it. If you want to get started with LearnWorlds, I would highly recommend also using the link down in the description. When you click that link, as you can see, you'll be brought to this page. You can get started with LearnWorlds completely for free. You don't need a credit card. You just need an email address and a password. As you can see here, I'll hit the start a free trial button, which will take me to their sign up page. And then I simply just make an account and log in. Now, once you're inside of LearnWorlds, this is what it should look like. As you can see here, I have a test school created right here, but I'll show you step by step how to make your very own school page. The first thing you do is hit this create new school button. As you can see, I'll name this school and I'll just name it My Store is Cool. I'll then add a simple domain to this. I'll just call this Test Cool Store. I'll then hit create school and it will create my trial school. Once I hit that create school button, it will then prep everything and it will then walk me through a step-by-step guide on making sure every single part of my school is optimized. As you can see, you can pick from a list of different templates that you can choose from, each of these custom tailored to the type of school that you're trying to build in the first place. Now for me, I personally really like this one, so I'll select and continue. And then as you can see, I can select from any of these options here to actually get my course set up in the right place. I'll say that I'm selling courses to individuals. I'll then say that I'm just getting started. I'll select my role in my business, and then I'll say how many people they have, as well as what topic I'll be covering. I'll then hit the finish button, and then as you can see, we're all set to go. I'll now hit the explore by yourself button, and as you can see, it'll then walk me through a few more steps here, like creating the first piece of course content, customizing our school's website, setting up our payment gateway, and integrating with any other businesses. Also, one of the nice parts here, we can even hit the preview button to take a preview of what our schools look like. As you can see, this is the template that we started using, and it's built really well, and it just looks really good too. Once I want to start making changes here, I just head back to the dashboard, and I can mess around with any of these tabs on the left side here, or hit this create course button. Once I hit the create course button, I can then start naming my course and creating example courses inside of my course website. There's also their marketing tab here where I can set up all kinds of different subscriptions or specific automations with email marketing. There's also an affiliate program that you can use where people can affiliate for your course program and earn a percentage of the earnings that they make from actually getting people to sign up for your page. There's also the mobile app option, which is super helpful, especially if you have people that are learning on the go. Then there's also the communication tab where we can send out emails to our students, as well as our users where we can see all of our different users. There's even a grading functionality that lets you grade your students for specific scores that you're getting inside of the school page. This platform is just so much more powerful than Skillshare, and I would definitely recommend getting started with them by using the link down in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about these platforms, let me know in the comment section. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.